Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing makeup in under 10 minutes. So let's get right in. I'm gonna put a timer on. 10 minutes starting now. So first I'm gonna do my brows really quick. I'm going to do my foundation next, just to make sure I have that on my face. Brush and get my contour. Blend it out real quick. Okay, we're down to 6 minutes. Put a little bit of concealer on my eye, underneath. I normally do your concealer before your contour and your blush, but I just wanted to make sure that I had enough time to do it. Put on some mascara. I'm just going to take my blender. Take some powder. Do a quick lippy. We're just going to take this Revlon black, just put a little bit of color there. We have 1 minute. Highlighter. Okay, that is it. There's 3 seconds left. So this is the final look. Okay, so that's just if you need to get out of the house quick. You just do your foundation, concealer, contour, blush, lips, eyeshadow, and eyebrows. That is it. Okay, and that's all for today, you guys. I'll be uploading another video on Monday. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you. Bye.